Hi, I'm Wendy from Shiny Happy World, and this is the Papa and Baby Emperor Penguin pattern. Here's how to make it. Okay, this is the video showing how to assemble the Papa and Baby Emperor Penguin pattern if you are using a light box. So first of all, let me show you how I've prepared the pieces. You need to print, you can trace, the template pieces onto the paper side of paper-backed fusible adhesive. Then you're going to roughly cut out each piece and fuse it to the wrong side of your fabric. After you get it fused, you'll do a nice clean cut on all of the solid lines around the edge of each piece. The dotted lines you can ignore. Those are placement guides and they are only there to show people where applique pieces will go if they're not using a light box, but you are, so you are ready to go. The other thing is my light box set up. So I have my light box, I have it turned up as bright as it'll go. I have a tempered glass cutting board here. That's why you'll see me at the end of this actually fuse my pieces in place right on the light box. This can take the heat, the light box cannot. So I have that, but it's totally optional. You don't need to do that. I have my placement guide, and then I have a clear silicone sheet. All my pieces are ready to go. Let's put this together. So we are going to lay down the pieces in their numbered order. So we're going to start with piece number 1. If I can get the piece off, let's try this again. There we go. And you just lay that down exactly where it shows on the picture. Now we're going to do piece number 2. You can see that better. It was up there behind the head. This is this little yellow spot they've got. All right, and then piece number 3 is his head. So I did not do this one in black and white. This is for an Arctic chill pattern that I've been doing in kind of soft, kind of chalky colors. So most of the black and white animals I've done, most, not all, some of them I've done in grays, but some of them I've done in this purple. I call this sea glass. All right, and then number 4 is his eye. And if you can't see it, because the fusible adhesive will tend to make the fabric cup up just a little bit, just push the layers together, just tap them together. All you need to do is make contact. You don't have to push hard, but then you'll be able to see those lines through there. And that's where that one goes. So now we've got piece 5 is the back of Papa Penguin. And again, just line them up with the picture. Okay, there we go. And now we've got, let's see, 6 is the baby's body. 7 is the white part of his face, which I used the lightest shade of that purple. And then 8 is the black part of his head, which I used a dark purple for. And then, to get that lined up, 9 is the baby's eye. And again, just tap to make contact, and you can see that eye through there. All right, now we're going to just tack this in place. So I'm not doing a full count. I'm really just barely fusing it just to get the pieces to hold together enough for me to be able to peel this off and position it on my block. So I'm going to let that cool there for just a second. That's probably good enough. And then we can peel this up. Now it acts like one iron-on piece. So we'll get the block in there. I'm doing all of these Arctic animals and Antarctic also. So this guy is actually in the Polar Pals collection because penguins are not in the Arctic. They're only in the Antarctic. Well, they're also in South America and other places, Africa, but they are not in the Arctic. Okay, so now I'm going to take this straight edge and I'm going to position it so it's lined up with the bottom edge of this block, because I want it to look like I snapped a photo of this papa and baby and I zoomed in on them. So I cropped part of their bodies out of the photo that I took, imagining that I took this photo. And so when I sew all the blocks together, that raw edge will be hidden. It'll be buried in my seam allowance and it'll give me the illusion of a cropped photo. All right, now I'm going to do the proper fuse, which is going to be, I have to do a lot of counting and it takes a lot longer, so I'll fast forward through it. Okay, that is ready to go. So I'm going to take this over to my ironing board, or to my sewing machine, and I'm going to do all of the outline stitching, and then I will bring it back here and I'll show you the finished block and also show you 2 other color versions that I made. All right, here is one version, finished version of the Papa and Baby Emperor Penguin pair. So this one is done in realistic colors on a muted background. I did another version in slightly more imaginary colors. This is colors from the Seabreeze collection, all on the surf blenders in the background. But this is for a Polar Pals collection that I'm making to go with the Arctic Chill collection. And by calling it Polar Pals, I get to also include Antarctic animals like the Emperor Penguin pair. So that is a bundle that you're going to be seeing soon. And then I've got one more version, another very realistic version, and this time on a bright, bright orange background, just for something a little bit different. So that is the new Emperor Penguin pattern. You can get it at shinyhappyworld.com. I'm Wendy, and I will see you next time.